Meanwhile, the fate of President Biden's COVID vaccine and testing mandate for workers in healthcare and large businesses is now in the hands of the justices at the nation's highest court. The Supreme Court heard oral arguments today from federal lawyers and attorneys representing a coalition of Republican-led states that are pushing back on the requirement. The Biden administration argues the mandate will keep Americans safe even as the COVID-19 Omicron-variant surge continues. ABC's Faith Abubi has the details.
Today at the Supreme Court, attorneys for groups of Republican-led states and businesses fighting the Biden administration's COVID vaccine and testing mandate, questioning federal powers.
We are asking for a stay before enforcement takes effect Monday. And the reason for that is this is an unprecedented agency action.
The lawyers arguing the president forcing large private businesses to require workers be vaccinated or tested weekly for COVID is damaging.
This is going to cause a massive economic shift in the country.
Some of the justices, including Stephen Breyer, baffled.
Let me not exaggerate. Nearly 750,000 people. New cases every day. I mean, to me, I would find that unbelievable.
Justice Sonia Sotomayor also pushing back.
Why shouldn't the federal government have a national rule that will protect workers?
But this is something that the federal government has never done before, right?
It's a danger that we all face simply as a matter of waking up in the morning.
New data collected from 1 million fully vaccinated adults before the emergence of Omicron shows less than a fraction of a percent of fully vaccinated adults suffered severe COVID illnesses, and an even smaller percentage died.
The overwhelming number of deaths, over 75%, occurred in people who had at least 4 comorbidities. So really, these are people who were unwell to begin with.
Despite new pressures from 6 of President Biden's former advisors saying the virus is here to stay and the administration needs a new strategy, President Biden defiant.
The new normal doesn't have to be. We have so many more tools we're developing.
And new this afternoon, the White House and USPS have agreed on a plan to mail out 500 million rapid COVID tests to Americans, but it's still unclear when the tests will be available and how many each household can get. In Washington, Faith Abubi, ABC News.